these are the best Infinix phones that you can buy in 2024. Okay, these are the best ones that you can buy in Uganda. Starting one is Smart 8. You can get also Hot 40i, and then you can also get Hot 50i. Yes, you can get these. So watch the video until the end to see which phone is the best and which phone is budget friendly for you that you choose or you either decide to buy. Okay, so this is the Smart 8 Infinix. Comes with 64GB storage and 6GB RAM. It comes with a 5000 amps battery that can be like 2 days of usage. It has a side fingerprint. Yeah, this is it when it is new, this is it when it's out of the box, as you can see. Okay, comes with Android 13. It's very nice. Comes with Android 13. Yeah, that's a very nice camera, as you can see. Very nice. So I think this is a phone that is budget friendly, and for anyone who's looking for a budget friendly good phone, this is a phone that I would recommend. It goes for 350,000 for a new one, which is very nice. You can just order. The number is in the description. I'll be waiting. If you want a budget friendly phone in Uganda, this is the #1 phone that I would recommend. If you want something that has good battery and a nice camera, the rear camera is very nice. Though the front camera is not that good, but it can still do the job, but it's not the best. But for the back camera, it is very nice. Okay, very nice. All right, so let's check out the next one. This is Hot 40. Let's check out this one, Hot 40. Yes, on my second choice we have the Hot 40. Hot 40, if anyone is caring about storage, it has a 128GB, better than the Smart 8. It will go for 450,000. It's a very nice phone. Okay, it has 128GB in storage. It has 8GB RAM. So we'll see what is rare with the Hot 40. The Hot 40, it has a powerful battery of 5000 amps. Yeah, this can last you for 2 days on full usage, so you have no issue charging. And then it has a 4G network with a front camera of 32 megapixels, and that is what we are going to test. We are going to see its camera, the front camera, if it's better than the one for Smart 8. It has also a side fingerprint, so if you want a phone with a fingerprint, this will do the work. It has a Face ID and a fingerprint. Okay. The good thing with Infinix phones, they all come with 2 SIM cards. You can see it's very nice. I'll try to test it out and we see its performance. Let's first check out the camera. Yes, the rear camera looks sleek. I would say it's better than the one for Smart 8. Indeed, this is better. This is very better. You can see it is better than the one for Smart 8. So Infinix, I think, did a very good job with this one. Yeah, it is Hot 40i, and it's a very good budget friendly phone. It goes for 450,000. Very cost friendly, so you can just make your order on WhatsApp. The number is in the description, and I can deliver it to you all around Kampala or Uganda. And I'm testing out its front camera, but the front camera is very nice, very nice. That I can tell you. I'll try to take for you a picture. You see, okay, this is a picture that I've taken with this camera. Okay, so I think if you were looking for a very good budget friendly phone, this is a phone that you could go for. Infinix did a good job with this one. It has 128GB, it has 8GB RAM, and it has also Android 13, as you can see. It has Android 13. It's very nice. It has a side fingerprint. This is the side fingerprint. Okay, for anyone. It has nothing here, nothing in the screen, but you can unlock it using the side one. So you can use this button to unlock it. My number is in the description. Just order and it can be delivered to you wherever you are in Uganda. So let's go to my third choice in Infinix for 2024. Bye. We have the Hot 50i. Hot 50i is a very new one. This is the new 2024. It's just been released. Okay. We are going to unbox it together. Hot 50i, you can look at this camera design, it's very different from these ones. Okay, so we have the Hot 50i, and let's see what it comes with. Hot 50i comes with 128GB and it has a G81 processor. Yes, it carries up to a 4G network. It is 128GB and 12GB RAM, and this is nice. Okay, 12GB RAM. It has a fingerprint here, so it has a fingerprint on the side also. It is very nice with this fingerprint, you can see. Very nice phone. Okay, I want to test the cameras and see how the cameras are. Are they nice? How do they look like? The camera is amazing. Let me try to take for a picture. And the selfie camera is also very nice. You can see, very nice. Let me test for you the camera. Very nice. It has a very nice camera. So if you want a phone at 450, you can get this phone also. It is 128GB, 12GB RAM. Okay, very nice. 4G network. The battery still 5000 amps, so it can last you for 2 days and more, depending on your usage. This is a phone that I could surely recommend, and it's not very heavy. It's very portable. Yeah. So 6.7 inches, not bad for a phone. Can fit very well in your hand. A phone. These are the phones that I would recommend in 2024 and 2025 that you can buy and not regret. And you can make your orders on WhatsApp. The number is in the description. You can see how they all look different. They are very nice phones. Okay, 64GB, 128GB, 128GB. This one has a smaller RAM than this one, so that is all the difference they have. But this one has a better camera than this one, and this one has a better camera than this one. But they're all budget-friendly phones, so you can place your orders. Remember to follow Katie Gadgets, where I review all gadgets in Uganda. I review gadgets that you can use in day-to-day life. Alright? So, give me a like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye, Team Komanyoko. Bye-bye.